Welcome back, everybody. So yeah, this video is going to be on how to make a super simple propagation station. I always want to get tongue-tied with that one, but anyway. Yeah, my wife has a huge interest in plants and flowers, etc. And just like I guess any wife going to her husband, honey, will you please make this for me? Absolutely. So that's what I'm going to do. By the way, you can check out the plans on my website. Be free for download. The tubes, she ordered these off of Amazon, so I will have the link for those down below so you can check those out. As far as what to make this out of, I'm going to be using some leftover walnut. Of course, you don't have to use that. You can use whatever you want. Plywood, pine, oak, whatever you can get your hands on. You probably get some at the big box stores already dimensioned down for you, at least in the thickness. And then you'll just have to come to the widths and put this together. I know, I'm talking simply, but it's not too bad. So anyway, let's get started. Okay, folks, well, that's going to do it for that little build right there. Yeah, I think it came out pretty nice. Just like I've kind of done with this couple of these projects right here, I just dipped it into my mineral oil bath that I do all my cutting boards with. Just kept it simple for that. But other than that, this one is done. Here in just a little bit, stay tuned, we'll actually have some beauty shots with actual flowers in here, just like it's supposed to hold. And if you have any questions on how I built this, I know I didn't narrate anything, just be sure to leave some comments down below or hit me up on my website, because also don't forget the plans will be up there for y'all to get as well. So other than that, thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. And of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell notification button so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks again, and bye-bye.